How's it going, YouTube? It's Golly, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on the power in TranZit mode on Black Ops 2 Zombies. So this is actually the third location that the bus takes you, and as soon as you come down here, there is usually a part over here to the left of you. And the thing about the parts in this location is that they're all scattered at different places every time you come here. So there are 3 parts, and they can be anywhere inside of this white power area. So after you gather the first part, you go over to this crafting table, hold X, and you start to look for the second part. And the other part is the lever, as you can see. And you go over here and hit X again, and it'll add the part. And then the last part you gotta find is the hand. Now, I had to deal with a train of zombies here following me, and I just pwned them with the riot shield. And then I go over here and I locate the hand, which is the smallest and final part of the power. So you go over here to the crafting table yet again, hold X, and that is the final part of the power, and then you're able to hold X and it turns on the power. And then as you can see, the power's turning on, and you're stuck in this room down here for, I'd say, about another 30 seconds while the power turns on. And once the power is done turning on, a door will actually open up to your right, and then you're able to go up through the zombie factory and get to the bus. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and peace!